and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to film a haul of things that I have collected so far from my classroom. It is it's July 2nd. And I've collected some things. I don't go back to school until August 15th. So I'm just going to show you some things that I have, and this is going to be a two-parter. I'm going to do things that I physically bought from the store and things that I have purchased from Teachers Pay Teachers. So the first thing I'm going to show you are these baskets. And I've just purchased these baskets, and I have green, orange, red, pink, and blue. I am going to film a classroom haul once I can get into my classroom. But my classroom theme is colors. I do 6 colors: purple, green, red, pink, blue, and orange or yellow, if I didn't say one of those already. So I got these baskets because I watched a video from that One Happy Classroom with Fernanda, and she was using these for early finishers, and when I see something I go full force. So I went and I purchased all the colors, but I am looking for purple because it's part of my classroom theme. So yes, I got these, and my intention is doing the same and putting these somewhere that my students can get them if they finish early. The second thing I bought, again, it was the same video from Fernanda. She actually had plastic Ziploc bags, and I saw these poly envelopes at Dollar Tree. Sorry, I got those baskets from Dollar Tree as well. But I saw these at Dollar Tree, and what she did was she had Ziploc bags and colored duct tape, and she took the colored duct tape and made it the same color so her kinders could associate the basket with the plastic bag. I teach 3rd, but I still have the same intention of using the same colors. This is orange. This one is pink, blue, and there's one more, green. So that was my intention. I have been liking them so far, and I do feel like my 3rd graders could handle the snap and snapping it closed, and even if it like broke, I wouldn't really mind. You get 2 in a pack for $1. The next thing I got were these awesome things. Again, from Dollar Tree, and they are just the shoes that you can put on the floor, and they say line up. And then you get 2 pinks and 2 blues. And last year, what I did was they give you the lineup sign. I used the lineup sign, and I took 1 blue shoe and 1 pink shoe and put them down. So just in case my line leader was a boy or a girl in 3rd grade, that really matters. Like my kids, I'm not a girl, but shoes are pink. So that's why I get these. And I got 2. This year, I'm just going to do just either 2 blue or 2 pink, because now I have 1 blue and 1 pink, but the lineup sign is gone. And I will say, by the end of the year, they stay down the entire year. By the end of the year, they were so worn out from my kids touching them. Honestly, they weren't even there anymore. Sorry if you hear my puppy in the background. Then I got these red slotted baskets. So like I said, I'm going to do a classroom tour, or if you go follow my Instagram at The Diary of a Teacher, you can see my classroom setup. I use these on each table. The caddies don't work for me whatsoever. I use these on my table, and I have every color of my table. So I have a red, green, blue, and purple table, and all pencils and erasers go in here. One of my jobs is a pencil person, and at the end of the day they collect each bin, and in the morning they pass them out, and all confusion is gone because the red table always gets the red bin. And so I just always get these 4 come in one. Honestly, I have the same one from last year that still worked, but I just might throw it away every year just for it to be cleaner. The next thing I got a couple of these, but I don't know where the no, I only got 2. These are display easels, and I got these for my library. So I teach 3rd grade. However, I am departmentalized, so I only teach English language arts. So the library in my classroom is a huge focal point, and my students use it a lot. My room is based around my library because I have a read to self center. I only teach reading. I have 2 hours to teach reading, so it's very important. And I do have books that I always highlight. In my newsletter, I highlight certain books, and I just want to have a place for those books because last year I just did one of these. Like if you have a book like this, I just opened it like this and I just placed it on top of my bookshelves, and every time someone bumped into it, the book would fall over. Next, and the last 2 things I have are these foam letter stickers, and there are 124 pieces. They can be stickers, but I am not going to use them for stickers. I'm just going to punch them out but leave the backing on it, and I am going to use this for my word work center. And so students can, if they want to take, I've used the color drawers, if they want to take the drawer out and use this as their word work time, they can do that. And then lastly, I have these borders. They're just black and pink borders. The base of my classroom is black, so all of the butcher paper on my bulletin boards is black, and pink is just my favorite color. I don't know what I'm going to use these for. I will find use for them, but yeah, that's it. That's all I have so far. I do have more stuff, and it's in my trunk, unfortunately, so I will do a haul as I accumulate more things, and I'll include that in that haul. Other than that, that was everything that I have from Dollar Tree so far. And look out for part 2, in which I'm going to show you things that I have purchased from Teachers Pay Teachers. Bye!